Okay, so here are the solutions to our exponent warm-up. Here we've got two bases that are the same, so I'm going to add my exponents. So I get a to the fourth. Number 2, m to the negative fourth is in the wrong spot. It needs to move up to become positive. You can write this over 1 or skip the over 1, up to you. M to the first times m to the fourth is m to the fifth. Number 3, you're going to distribute that power. So you're going to get 2 to the third, a to the negative 12th, b to the 15th. I've got 2 to the third is 8. A to the 12th is going to drop below to become positive. B to the 15th stays up. Number 4, I've got 49 over 7, which is 7. A to the 9th and a to the 11th. The difference is 2, and it looks like I've got more on the bottom because it's a to the 11th. It's bigger than a to the 9th, so the difference is 2. It's going to go on the bottom. And b to the 0 is the same as 1, so I've got b to the 11th on top. Number 5, a to the 5th to the 0 is equal to 1, so I'm just left with negative 2 times 3b. Negative 2 times 3b is negative 6b. And then the last one, the 3 distributes, so you get a to the negative third, b to the 12th. Nothing distributes in the second. Now we've got same basis, so I've got a to the negative 5th, b to the 12th, and b to the negative second is b to the 10th. That a to the negative 5 needs to drop below and become positive. b to the 10th over a to the 5th.